Hello YouTube and welcome back to my brand new gaming review, and in this review your boy will be showing you how you can get Subway Surfers, unlimited keys and unlimited coins all in my account right now. Follow each and every step that your boy implemented into this phenomenal review and you'll be having all of these guys. First step is open up your browser. Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type in address right here appspatch.com and search your game or any app from the list, guys. Okay, I find Subway Surf. Perfect, and enter your username. Guys, please enter correct username in your Subway Surfers account or game, of course, and select your platform. I select iOS, but working perfectly for both iOS and Android devices, guys, within a few simple clicks. And very fun step, select your keys and select your coins. I select maximum, why not, and wait for loads up. I find this guy online, tested in a few times and once you saw it work perfectly, I decide to share it with you guys. Everything is perfect right now. Scroll down, click on continue. Click here, and final step, guys, very important step. Okay, download 2 app or complete 2 questionnaire. Guys, all of these apps is from official App Store, Google Play Store, and working for both iOS and Android devices. You will play first, install Swagback simply 2 games for 5 minutes each, and be right back to install AutoPaste app and start the 3 days free trial. Guys, and don't use VPN in my network, just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you'll be perfectly fine. Okay guys, your boy install and be right back. Okay guys, your boy complete all steps, everything is here. When you have done all this, open your game and enjoy. Leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video guys, bye.